All right, anytime you want to do any type of computations with polynomials, you want to look at factoring. If, like right away, my eye looks right there and I see that's something I can factor. The other thing is, if you remember with fractions, whenever you add or subtract fractions, you must have the same denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is look for anything that I can factor. And I definitely can factor this, so I'm going to write it right here, 5x over, and figure out how I'm going to factor that, and not do anything with this piece yet. All right, so I know x squared is x times x. This is a positive, this is a negative, so it's going to have to be a negative times a negative to make a positive. And I think I could do 2 times 2. I'll kind of give you a hint. Typically one of those are going to be one of the factors. So I believe that works. And from here now, to add fractions, I have to have the same denominators. Well, this one only has one x minus 2. But what I could do is I could multiply it to get another x minus 2 and put one here on the top. Why am I doing that? Because I'm not changing the fraction. I'm only multiplying this now by 1. So I still have my 5x. I still have my x minus 2, x minus 2. Now this one becomes plus 11 times x minus 2. And the bottom is x minus 2, x minus 2. Now that they have the same denominators, I can actually add these. I probably want to distribute this. So let me just put the 5x. I'm going to distribute 11 times x, which is 11x. 11 times negative 2, which is minus 22. And I can write this over the same denominator, since they have the same denominators now. And I can look for any common terms, so it looks like that would be 16x minus 22. And then the bottom, to even make it look a little bit simpler, I can write that as a square, and that is the answer.